Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will tell you about narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a type of text in the form of an imaginary story, fabricated through story or fairy tale. Narrative text tell a story that has a chronological sequence of events that are interconnected. Social function of narrative text is to amuse, entertain, and to deal with an actual or vicarious experience in different way. Generic structure of narrative text. Orientation. Introduction or opening in the form of introduction to character, time, and place. Complication. Developing conflict or arising problem in the story. Resolution. Problem or conflict resolution. Reorientation. Closing phrases that indicate the end of a story. Reorientation is optional or not always present in narrative text. Coda. Lessons or moral value that can be learned from the story. Coda is optional.
English speaker of narrative text. Noun. In general, the noun is assessed as animal pronouns or an object in the story. Pattern. Example: highlight, ground, where, one, can, okay. A plot of time. Example: once upon a time, today, one day, year, yesterday, later, ahead. Time condition. Example: when, then, suddenly, before, after, until, upon, and ahead. Specific character. The art of specific, not general, story character. Example: Cinderella, Alibaba, Penguin, Ariel, etc. Action verb. A verb nothing and action. Direct text. To make the story come alive. Meeting and thinking verb. A verb nothing and expression or research. The characteristic of narrative text. Narrative text tells the story from the front. More of a folk tale or a story passed down from generation to generation. 3. The elements of the story consist of setting time and place. Story theme, story characteristics, story atmosphere, conflict, and resolution. 4. Can be arranged into a simple, dense, or compact of several complete sequences.
Type of narrative text. Fable. Story with animal character in the story. In legend, folklore, which tell how the origin of a place exists. Folktale atau cerita rakyat. The story is told from generation to generation so that it becomes a part of community tradition. Myth. Stories or myth that have developed in many societies and are generally considered to be factual story or actually happened. Fairy tales atau dongeng, folklore or children stories in which it contains an element of magic or impossibility to the character of the story and at the contains a moral message.
How to analyze a narrative text. Plot point. Story, essays, and novel as feature as sequence of events that begin with expression or introduction to the character, setting and conflict, gradually building to a climax and resolution. Character journey. Analyze the character personalities, behavior, and reality relationship can find two significant meaning in a narrative. Speaking figuratively, analy- analyzing a narrative means looking at the another language choice as well as verbal elements like character and plot. Figurative language, the art of non-literal conversion to describe things or evoke sensory detail, character image of character and setting, and develops an emotional attitude or tone. Setting the time and place. Setting in narrative includes both the physical location of the story and other elements such as the time period, weather, or session when the actions are just talking the time. Ultimately, all narrative elements work, works together to create the story time. The main idea, the leases bend the text. You can analyze the primary character, setting, image, and the plot point to determine what that is meant to illustrate.
Write a narrative text. Tips. Should never start writing before you have decided on your plot. Sequence of events is very important. Use theme words such as at first, before, until. Use of various adjectives and adverbs to describe feelings and action, as well as use of direct space as variant of verbs, will make your story more exciting to write. Be careful with the themes you choose. You can use past continuous to set the scene, past simple to describe the main events of the story, or past perfect to give the background of the story. Description of people, place, object, or event and descriptive techniques can be used in a narrative when you want to emphasize specific parts of your narration. Use links, words, or pairs to join the ideas and make your story flow. Techniques to begin and end a story. A good beginning is as important as a good ending. A good beginning should make your reader want to go on with your story. A good ending will make your reader feel satisfied. You can start your story by describing weather, surroundings, people, using direct space, creating mystery and suspense. Example: ordinary beginning. I woke up and got off bed. I had showered, ate breakfast and left. More interesting beginning. Bright morning sunlight was shining through my bedroom window when I woke. I lay there lazily for a few minutes, then jumped out of bed. You can end your story by referring to your feelings or moods, describing people's reaction to the event developed in narrative, creating mystery and suspense, asking a rhetorical question, simple ending. At last I was home again, and soon went to bed. I had been a trying day. More interesting ending. A cows and a socket to the skin. I slammed the front door behind me. I threw myself onto my bed, stared into the darkness, and thought bitterly, why me? You can freely ask questions about in this presentation. If you have questions, enter your question in the comments. Thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.